Hi, my name is Roxanne Gardner, and we got these Mulholland Brand gates because we had a problem with our dog, and we had to get new gates so that he could get out through the gate. We called you guys. You were of the 5 companies that I put, notices in for. I only got one response. It was you guys. It was immediate. You guys came out the next day. It was wonderful. They came and you did you showed us what the gates were going to look like, and we agreed to it, and then they were ordered, and 2 weeks later they were installed, and the guys that came and installed them were hard workers. It took them 2 days to get them in, but they did a great job. They look wonderful. They're serving the purpose, most definitely. It's stopped the barking and the issues with the dogs, so it's been wonderful that we have them now, and we've just been so impressed with the entire process, so thank you.